Hi friends, today we'll be making Shankarpali. Now in the saucepan, take half cup of water. Now we'll be adding in half cup of sugar. You have to give it a good mix. We'll now bring it to a shimmer same like this. Transfer it to another bowl and in the same saucepan, take half cup of ghee and start melting the ghee. Well, your ghee is melted. Now take 3 cups of all-purpose flour. In this, add a pinch of salt. Just mix it. Now add our ghee. Make sure your ghee is hot. Now mix it with the help of a spoon. Make sure you do not put your hands in it or else your hands will burn. Well, now we'll be kneading it with our fingers. Just rub it. Make sure the ghee is entirely mixed. Well, rub it as I'm showing. Keep on mixing it. Now add our sugar and water mixture and knead this. Make sure you do not add the whole mixture together. Add it a little by little and then only knead it. Well, this is our final one. Now knead this into a dough. Well, here I'm done kneading it. Now we'll be resting for an hour. Well, after an hour, again knead this. Well, after this step, you have to roll it out into like a chapati but a little thick. Well, here I'm done. Now I'll be just cutting it out into desired shapes. You can make diamond shape or square shape. Here I'll be making diamond ones. Well, here I'm almost done. Now we'll be frying these. Here, make sure your oil isn't too hot or too cold. It should be like nearly hot. Fried on low temperature. Well, once they are brown, take these out. So here we are done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.